Have you ever wondered why the subject of physics often leaves students stumped in exams? Why does this particular science become a proverbial mountain too steep to climb for many? Today, we're going to delve straight into the heart of this matter. Physics, a science that studies matter and its motion through space and time, along with related concepts such as energy and force, is often seen as a challenging subject, and rightly so. It's a blend of theoretical concepts and practical applications, and this dual nature can make it daunting for many students. One of the primary reasons students fail in physics exams is due to a lack of understanding of basic concepts. Physics isn't a subject that encourages rote learning. It demands a clear understanding of fundamental principles. When students lack this foundation, they struggle to make sense of more advanced topics, leading to poor performances in exams. Another common reason is the inability to apply theoretical knowledge to practical scenarios. Physics is a practical science. It's the study of the natural world and how things work, and it requires the ability to apply theoretical knowledge to real-life situations. When students can't make this connection, they find it difficult to answer application-based questions in exams. Furthermore, students often underestimate the importance of mathematical skills in physics. Math is the language of physics. It's how we quantify and interpret physical phenomena. When students lack strong mathematical skills, they struggle to solve problems and understand complex concepts, which can also lead to poor exam results. Lastly, a lack of practice is another significant factor. Physics, like any other subject, requires consistent practice. Without it, students often find themselves unable to recall concepts during exams or solve problems efficiently. To summarize, students commonly fail in physics exams due to a lack of understanding of basic concepts, inability to apply theoretical knowledge to practical scenarios, poor mathematical skills, and lack of practice. Physics is a complex subject, but with a strong foundation, consistent practice, and a knack for application, students can overcome these challenges. Remember, physics isn't just about understanding the universe around us. It's about understanding how to approach problems and finding solutions. So next time you pick up your physics textbook, don't just see it as a hurdle to overcome, but as an opportunity to learn, grow, and comprehend the world in a whole new light. In this next section, we're going to discuss a practical 4-step approach to mastering physics. This approach isn't a magic bullet, but it can significantly improve your grasp of the subject and your performance in exams. Step 1. Understand basic concepts. The first step in mastering physics is understanding the basic concepts. Every complex idea in physics is built on simpler ones. Don't rush through these foundational principles. Instead, take your time to understand them thoroughly. Use diagrams, analogies, and real-world examples to make these ideas more tangible and relatable. Step 2. Apply theoretical knowledge to practical scenarios. The second step is applying your theoretical knowledge to practical scenarios. Physics isn't just about equations and theories, it's about understanding the world around us. Try to see the physics in everything you do. When you play sports, when you cook, when you drive, physics is everywhere. The more you relate what you learn to the real world, the better you'll understand it. Step 3. Improve mathematical skills and practice regularly. The third step is improving your mathematical skills and practicing regularly. Math is the language of physics, and without it, you won't be able to express or understand the concepts thoroughly. So, work on your math skills. Practice problem solving regularly. The more problems you solve, the better you'll get at it. Step 4. Approach problems and find solutions. The final step is learning how to approach problems and find solutions. Physics is all about problem solving. When faced with a problem, don't panic. Break it down into smaller, manageable parts. Understand what's given, what's asked, and how to connect the two. Develop a systematic approach to problem solving, and with time, you'll find it easier to tackle even the most challenging questions. Remember, mastering physics isn't a one-day affair. It requires patience, persistence, and consistent effort. But with the right approach, you can turn this daunting subject into an exciting journey of discovery. So roll up your sleeves and let's dive into the fascinating world of physics.